No, I've never worn glasses before. Thankfully, I've had good sight all my life. Understandable. So yeah, y'all get me. Yeah. Do you want tattoos or piercings? I don't really want either. I got the piercing I've always wanted, and that was a belly piercing. If I do get a tattoo, it'll probably be like a butterfly, or I don't know. Pose for a screenshot. Is that person still on here? You taking it? Did you get it? I hope you got it. If not, let me know and I'll post again. My dream vacation, I really want to go to like the Caribbean or something, like to Jamaica, or I don't know. I just really would love to go like out of the freaking country, or not even out the country. Like Hawaii would be nice, but I do really want to go to the Caribbean one day. And I want to go with like my friends, you know, like a friend trip or something like that. It's piece of land. Scared. I mean, just then. How do you cope with negative people? I've waited for this question. If you guys do not know who Ricky Thompson is, or you've never watched his Vines, then you're not going to get this. I take those haters and I wipe the floor with them. There you go. Come to Canada. I want to go everywhere, y'all. Like, and one day I will. I will be traveling the world one day. I want to go to Canada. I want to go to Hawaii. I want to visit LA. I want to visit New York City. I want to go to Jamaica. I want to go to Bora Bora, the Maldives, if I'm saying that right. I want to go to Mexico. I want to go a whole bunch of places, really, honestly. Gonna probably would have dollars will never do my living page, then you're probably gonna sue. I do want to do like when this virus like calms down a little bit, and you know, well, I didn't say calm down, when they say that, hey, you can now leave your house without a mask, like it's not mandatory anymore. I want to do a meet and greet. I really want to do a meet and greet. Who gonna play with the dogs and never do the months and hit you? Then you probably gonna sue. If you could build your dream house, how would it look? I want it to be 3 floors. Bottom floor, I don't know. I want it to be like floor to ceiling glass windows, because I love natural sunlight, and it is like my medication. I need natural sunlight. If the sun is shining, I feel energetic and I feel productive. So I feel like, and then plus with natural sunlight just shining into your house reduces you having to use so much of electricity, which means your light bill won't be high. Even without the virus, I'm still staying on, but I appreciate going a little more. Well, I mean, that's you. I'm talking about people who are ready for this to be over and can't wait to go back out and live a normal life like we did before it got here. But that means that's you though. Wait, how they do it? I really want some ice cream. I'm gonna get it once I get off live though. Light bill, who's she? We all about sunlight in here. Period. Like if I get my first like condo or apartment or something, I want it to have floor to ceiling windows or a bunch of windows because I love natural sunlight. And you can ask anyone who really, really knows me, they know that that is like essential for me. I don't want to live nowhere where the sun does not shine. Like Antarctica, no, I don't live nowhere where the sun does not shine often. Like I need sun. I need the sunlight. That's why Georgia is a beautiful place to live. LA is a beautiful place to live. It's hot, but hey, I'd rather take hot and sunlight than cold and dull or just no sun at all. Like it's just gloomy and all day long, and I can't do that. That's depressing as hell. My favorite flavor of ice cream? I love cookie dough. Or just plain vanilla ice cream. Well, vanilla bean. I like vanilla bean. So it's between cookie dough and vanilla bean. Girl, Georgia hot as hell, but also cold as hell. It's literally bipolar. Georgia can get hot, and Georgia can get cold. That's one thing I can't say about Miss Girl. She can switch it up if she needs to. She can get hot. She can get very hot. Then she can get cold. And she can get real cold. And then she can do both in one day. Like, you know what I'm saying? She's a multitasker. She's talented. When are you planning on linking back up with limited edition? I don't know. We're still talking about that. Trying to get that situated. I forget that Las Vegas is like more than the Las Vegas Strip. Like I forget that all the time. I forget that like when people say I'm from Las Vegas, I'm just like, what? What you mean you from Las Vegas? Then I think like I forget that it's more than just the Strip that people go for vacation and go there to like, you know, have a good time. I forget that it's also a city. Outside of the Strip, there is houses and stuff. People do live there. Like, you know, I just forget that all the time. So when people are saying like, oh, I live in Las Vegas.